Rose shattered pink diamond? I kinda wanna doubt it. Hello everyone, welcome to my Steven Universe Back to the Moon review. In this episode we see more of the rubies, more specifically Eyeball, Steven's graciously dubbed name onto one of the rubies. We learned this ruby was actually made during the Gem War, that she heard about the legendary Jasper and what she did, destroying 80 crystal gems. Wow, that's pretty good. But the real kicker to what Eyeball says is that Rose shattered pink diamond. Apparently she saw it with her own eye. I don't know. I want to believe it and be convinced that that's that. Rose went against her philosophy and shattered Pink Diamond. But even though Eyeball claims to have seen it, I still want to have my doubts about it, mainly because I don't want to see her philosophy so corrupted by what she did. But sometimes some of the best preachers don't do what they preach. It would be more reasonable as to why Rose doesn't want to shatter any gem, because she realized how awful it was to take another life. Bismuth, however, didn't seem to know that Rose shattered Pink Diamond, or at least didn't allude to knowing about it. It seems to focus a lot on Eyeball in this episode, and it seems as if they're going to try to progress this into building up her character a bit more, because even in Hit the Diamond, they left her character pretty vague. I was completely starstruck by that reveal, but then after that, they all get sucked into space, including Steven, and thus we're left to another cliffhanger. I mean, this show not pulling any punches when it comes to the Steven bomb. Amethyst as Jasper, I don't really like the premise of someone playing someone they're not. It's like the whole liar revealed story, and I'm not really into that. It's funny at some points, but it's not my real cup of tea when she's playing as Jasper. The funniest thing that happens in this episode is Lapis just nonchalantly going, "Nah, I'm okay with not being a prisoner." With all the times we've seen Lapis on the show, up until Super Watermelon Island, we do not see Lapis outside of a prison. From a mirror to inside a homeworld ship, and then into a fusion. So for her to just nonchalantly go, "Yeah, no, I'm okay with not being a prisoner," you expect Vietnam flashbacks and her going completely insane, just like when Amethyst says the J word, but she completely just passes over it like it's no big deal, and it's her nonchalant, not caring about anything attitude is hilarious to me, and she's still one of my favorite characters to date. The show is so good when it comes to character development. You have a character like Lapis Lazuli who's been trapped for thousands of years to being a Hot Topic emo fangirl over Steven. We see Peridot as one of the most threatening things in season 1, turning into a cat-like show-binging metal bender. And even though Steven Universe's next episode is going to be about them floating around in space, them being Steven and the Rubies, they're still gonna find a way to put some iota of character development and turning someone into a different character on this journey. I just know it. And changing is what this show is all about. Thank you all for watching, I hope you all enjoyed, and to all the new subscribers, thank you all for joining me. I'm really happy to have you. So please comment down below, I'd love to hear what you guys think, and hopefully I'll see you in the next review tomorrow.